When we started farming, we were on rented land, and we knew we wanted to put up high tunnels as quickly as we could because everything grows better in a tunnel. We have yet to find something that doesn't grow better in a tunnel. We weren't able to afford a big 30 by 100 foot tunnel at that point, and caterpillar tunnels were a great solution for us. They're very affordable by the square foot. It's really incredible. They pay for themselves very quickly. You can put one up in a single day, and they have just about all the benefits too. We've seen crops grow so much better in caterpillar tunnels and have always felt like we were glad that we put that tunnel up. Our first two tunnels of the same size we built ourselves, and we had to go to Home Depot, buy all the pipe, buy all the bolts, all the fittings, bend it ourselves. It probably took a week to put up two tunnels, whereas the next year, Farmer's Friend tunnels became available. We bought two of those and we put them up in 2 days.
It was an easy choice choosing Farmer's Friend tunnels because they were the most affordable and the easiest to assemble. I mean, it just is like kind of a no-brainer.